Hi, this is Eric Fassbinder.
I'm Bednarzyk.
We're here to talk real briefly about the Modal ODS class that we had just a couple weeks ago. Just kind of a follow-up on it. For me personally, it was my first time being able to present for technical associates. I thoroughly enjoyed the class that we had. It was kind of a smaller class, but that made the information and the content more meaningful, a little bit more intimate for everybody. We discussed modal analysis, which comes into play a lot when you have resonance issues. Modal can help you out significantly if you have any kind of resonance issues, which happens a lot with VFDs nowadays. We were also able to talk about ODS, fantastic tool, great for finding things such as busted welds, looseness in plating, sole plating, any kind of looseness that can come into play, and all kinds of other problems that come up in the vibration world.
Another good thing about the class was we got to officially launch our new material that encompassed the new software release. So that was really interesting. There's a couple of different things that were integrated into that. So it was good that we could give the most up-to-date information that we've presented. So learned a lot.
It's a big part of the class is, we go through the software, we go step by step through different projects that are included in the handbook that's provided for the class. We got some great feedback on the new content from the latest Scope update that's out there now. We're looking forward to next year.
Yes. Thank you.